Watch Ultra tips and tricks you need to know. If you own an Apple Watch Ultra, you're already experiencing the best of Apple's wearable technology. Built for extreme adventures, endurance sports, and outdoor exploration, this rugged smartwatch is packed with advanced features. But to truly unlock its full potential, you'll need some insider tips and tricks. Whether you're a seasoned Apple Watch user or a beginner, these tricks will help you make the most of your Apple Watch Ultra. Let's dive in. Number 1. Customize the action button. The Apple Watch Ultra's action button is one of its standout features. Located on the left side, this bright orange button is fully customizable. You can use it to quickly access specific actions such as starting a workout, setting a waypoint, or activating the flashlight. Here's how to customize it. 1. Open the Settings app on your watch. 2. Scroll down and tap Action button. 3. Choose the function you want to assign, like workout, dive, or backtrack. Pro tip: assign compass waypoint if you're an outdoor enthusiast. It will help you mark important locations during your hikes. Number 2. Night mode for better visibility. For adventurers who prefer the night sky or early morning activities, the night mode on the Wayfinder watch face is a game changer. It turns the display red, improving visibility in the dark and reducing strain on your eyes. How to enable night mode? Switch to the Wayfinder face on your Apple Watch Ultra. Turn the digital crown to activate night mode. Number 3. Backtrack feature for navigation. Lost your way while hiking? The backtrack feature uses GPS to help retrace your steps. This is especially useful when you're exploring off-grid locations without a clear path. To activate backtrack: 1. Open the Compass app. 2. Tap the backtrack icon. 3. Your route will be mapped so you can easily find your way back. Quick tip: combine backtrack with compass waypoints for enhanced navigation. Number 4. Use the Depth app for water adventures. The Apple Watch Ultra is designed for divers and water sports enthusiasts. The Depth app provides real-time information on depth, water temperature, and dive time. Whether you're snorkeling or freediving, this app is a must-have. How to use the Depth app? The Depth app launches automatically when your watch is submerged. It shows your current depth and warns you if you exceed the safe limit. Number 5. Optimize battery life for long adventures. The Apple Watch Ultra boasts impressive battery life, but during extended trips you'll want to conserve power. Here's how. 1. Turn on low power mode. Open Control Center and tap the battery percentage, then enable low power mode. 2. Disable background apps and features like always on display when not needed. 3. Use workout power saving mode for fitness tracking without draining too much battery. Number 6. Precision Dual Frequency GPS. One of the Ultra's most impressive features is its dual frequency GPS for more accurate tracking in challenging environments like dense forests or urban areas with tall buildings. Ensure this feature is active for precise navigation during your adventures. Go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, System Services, turn on Compass Calibration and Motion Calibration and Distance. Number 7. Take advantage of the siren. In emergencies, the Apple Watch Ultra's 86 decibel siren can help alert others to your location. This can be a lifesaver if you're injured or lost in a remote area. How to activate the siren? Press and hold the action button until the siren sounds. It can be heard up to 600 feet, 180 meters away. Number 8. Use the built-in flashlight. The built-in flashlight on the Apple Watch Ultra is more powerful than on previous models. It offers different modes, including a flashing light for increased visibility at night. How to access the flashlight? Swipe up to open Control Center, then tap the flashlight icon. Swipe left to switch between steady, flashing, and red light modes. 9. Customize workout views. For athletes, customizing your workout views is essential. The Apple Watch Ultra lets you personalize what data you see during workouts, such as heart rate, pace, and elevation gain. To customize workout views: 1. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. 2. Tap Workout, Workout Views. 3. Adjust the metrics to suit your training needs. Nash 10. Explore third-party apps. While Apple's native apps are powerful, third-party apps can take Apple Watch Ultra experience to the next level. Consider apps like Komoot for hiking and cycling, Oceanic Plus for diving, AutoSleep for advanced sleep tracking. Final thoughts. The Apple Watch Ultra is more than just a smartwatch. It's a tool for adventure, fitness, and exploration. By mastering these tips and tricks, you can maximize its features and elevate your experience. Whether you're climbing mountains, diving underwater, or simply navigating your daily routine, the Apple Watch Ultra has something for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it and stay tuned for more Apple Watch Ultra tips.